Hello everybody, welcome back to Ties vs. Dies. Diehards, welcome back. Newcomers, thank you for joining us today. We have an exciting and fun episode. It is an imagination creation where we will be taking some permanent transfer decal vinyl and dropping it onto a tie-dye canvas and creating our Ties vs. Dies tie-dye the world logo. You can do this as well. You can use any logo or any creation, any design that you find that you want to drop onto a tie-dye canvas. It all works very good. It's a simple yet effective technique to create a very bright and bold and beautiful tie-dye shirt. So let's dive right on in and let's see what we can see. And a couple key things to take note on: you are going to want to go heavy on that dye application with the paintbrush, as well as blot out that excess dye with a paper towel or a napkin or a cloth of some type. And also be sure to put something in between the two layers of the shirt, that way you don't get bleeding onto the back of the shirt, because we are actually going to be doing a hourglass spine variation on the back of this shirt, as well as sleeves to match the spine and the rest of the remaining body of that tie-dye canvas. So yes, be sure to put something in between those two layers, that way you don't get any excess bleeding or running or any extra dye where you don't want to get it, because it just comes out looking a lot more sharp and a lot more intentional and a lot more clean and focused when you do it this way. So I recommend you take the tip. And then another thing to be sure to take your time with is the covering and the binding of that initial design. After we heat set it, of course, you're going to want to go ahead and wrap that up with either rubber bands or Sinew. We are using Sinew in this project, but you can use either one. Just make sure to wrap it up tight. We actually covered it up with a rubber glove and a plastic bag. That will ensure you don't get any excess dye from the remainder of the project onto your logo or your design. And another thought is to go with a darker color for your logo. That way when you heat set it, we're going to come back in with a lighter color to fill in those blanks for the logo design, and that will just make you have a lot more depth and a lot more character and a lot more contrast to your logo design. So be sure to go dark on those outlines and then come in with a lighter color after you heat set it, and that will really give you that depth. And so this is going to be, we're going to be getting towards the end of it here. This is just a shorter video. I wanted just to let you know what we were going through right here. So thank you for your time, thank you for your patience. Everybody get out there and tie-dye the world, and we will see you in the next one. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time, and all right, see you later. Love you. Bye.